Let me try this thing on. Let's see. Let's take.
Is the shirt you're wearing a new purchase?
No, actually, I think this is one of the shirts saved.
All right, let me take this garbage ass beanie off.
Shirt.
This trash is going in the incinerator. Burn that.
Don't call it trash.
Ian. Oh yeah, right. Well, yeah.
Oh.
Shit.
We got sound effects.
Turn it up, Dan. Get it on there. Good. No.
Kind of like
this is my coronation. Keep the music going, Dan. This is spiritual.
Man. I feel like there's a lot of things we could have done better.
There you go.
Is this on your head?
It is.
You
It
have a
is.
very big head.
It is. No.
Just a lot of hair.
I think the hair is actually quite a bit of volume. Here, let me help you out. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. You're just being shy about it. Okay.
Well, I don't know. Do you have lice?
I mean, generally not. But it's mine now, right? I'm keeping it. Like, this is for me.
I'm gonna totally strip the smoke out of it because
You don't want...
the smoke is... the smoke needs to be sort of better packaged to...
You think it's dangerous for me to hold? Oh, no.
My house
I've got a
burned
ticking
down.
time
I know what
bomb on
it's
my
like.
head.
I don't want to burn your house
Okay.
down, too.
All right. So you're going to control this. Let's do a gag. Keep the music on here. Today... Wait,
Do you want to control it, Ela?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, so this is the mouth.
Oh, my God. It's like a living creature in my head.
Yeah, and then the smoke, you kind of can just like pump it up.
So does the fan work now?
We can just search your...
I can move my head around. So do the mouth, Ela. Today
What's up?
is
Wait,
my coronation. Today, I'm born. Is it moving?
No,
Oh,
it's
shit.
fixing.
I'm getting brain surgery. Oh, the
You-
fan's on. Oh, okay, I see what's going on here.
It's so scary.
Not very subtle.
Stuck the beanie into the fan.
Oh no. We're gonna today.
It looks kind of sad. You have to readjust it every time you move it.
Okay. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Today is my oh shit! I touched the fan. Okay. Today. Okay, here we go. Is it vaping?
I don't know. Is it? Am I doing it?
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah.
Today?
Ooh, nice cloud.
Are you on this, Ela?
Yeah.
Today is my coronation. Before, I was a beanie peasant. But now, I have truly ascended
I'm really bad with this.
to be... You want me to... Maybe I should do
Yeah.
it. You can't read my mind. So this is the mouth.
This
Mouth
is
is on
the
the left.
mouth?
Go easy on the smoke. That's on the left.
Yeah,
so
I did-
sort of just
I
pump
did
it
a
up
Kind
a
of
little
falling
bit.
off my head a little bit.
That's fine. It kind of looks
So this
like...
is smoke I go up
Yeah,
for blaze?
now
Yeah.
you're smoking.
Today
Lots of smoke.
what's the difference between up and down? Because I can't see.
Down closes the mouth.
So it's open now.
Oh, this is full open. This is full close.
Yeah.
Okay. Today is my coronation.
Pump the smoke.
That's good.
I am no longer
Put the smoke back.
a beanie peasant, but I have transcended to the beanie god.
I'm just waiting for the flames to erupt out of it.
Beanie god. Is it vaping?
You know, don't, the smoke, yeah.
Okay. That my creator has built me to emulate the wearer. A small chance exists that I will set on fire and kill anyone who wears me. God bless. How was my mouth thing? Was it good? Okay. I think I did the bit.
Nice. That was good.
Thank you, everyone. Round of applause for the Beanie God. God bless America. Thank you. Can I just do the rest of the show like this?
Yeah. Just don't pump the smoke.
How's my
anymore,
mouth
'cause
thing?
You
think we
just
burned the
zoom
cotton
on
out.
that part.
You're improving quickly.
Ela, is my
It's
mouth
really
thing
good.
working good?
You're really
Kinda
good at
flopped
it.
over.
I was having trouble.
Yeah, my head is definitely like...
We need a version 2.0.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, oh yeah, it smells a little like burning. I like that.
Yeah.
Shit, dude. All right, that was great. I had a lot. So, thank you very much. I'll say, William,
Yeah.
thank you very much for joining us.
Dude, thank you for having me.
Everybody, please go check out William's channel, William Osman, on YouTube. Right? Did I say that right?
That's right.
Is there anything else you'd like to promote or plug or talk about?
Can Michael Reeves, I did it first.
Michael Reeves, you heard it here.
I don't know. What
Fucking
that is.
bitch. Fuck
Yes!
you, Michael Reeves, you
Thank you.
cocksucking bitch. Fucking copy-ass cocksucker.
You ever seen the laser in your eye guy?
No.
No, but I hate him.
Well, I mean, I want to say you should, but I feel like you shouldn't.
That guy sucks.
Yeah.
By the way, I also want to give a shout out to William Osman's Vin Diesel ham sandwich video, which I have to say, the thumbnail. Dan, do you have the thumbnail for that video? Look at this. Probably the best thumbnail I've ever seen, where the half with the sandwich, I'm getting really into this. Am I doing good?
Yeah.
The half of this, that's actually a real image of the Vin Diesel sandwich he made, melded into the real face of Vin Diesel.
Oh my
I hope he's
God.
seen it.
I haven't
What
seen
are the
it.
chances he's
gotta
seen it?
I
watch
would
that.
say 50% chance that he's seen it.
Like someone he knows has shown it to him.
If I
Yeah.
hold this too long, too down, you think it's dangerous?
Though the smoke is definitely
out.
is gone. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We probably burned the cotton.
Okay.
That's fine.
Well, once again, thank you so much, William. And really appreciate you coming out here all the way
Yeah.
from Ventura.
Yeah.
You're
you guys
great.
want to come up to Ventura and do shenanigans? We have some shenanigans.
We have shenanigans in
Cool.
Ventura.
I mean, we can come here too. But if you guys have any shenanigan ideas,
100%.
yeah.
I think that
Yeah.
we definitely will have some shenanigan ideas. Is this? Am I?
yeah, it's going.
Yeah.
You're killing it, man.
You don't got to worry about anything other than the smoke. That's the only fire hazard.
I'm holding down the smoke.
No, no,
Let's
don't-
see.
don't-
I'm holding
don't-
it
yeah,
down.
no, don't
I'm holding it down. My hair is very
Yeah,
flammable.
that's where the.
Okay.
I don't see any smoke yet.
All right. I'm not fucking with this thing anymore. I'm getting scared.
Goodness.
All right. Anyway, thank you, dude. God bless. They really appreciate you coming out here.
Thank you. I kind of want it to light on fire though.
I do
I
not.
don't.
My hair is basically as flammable as wild brush out there. And,
Did you figure that out the hard way, or was that?
I've never set it on fire, but I don't imagine that it would go.
Some things you just know.
Yeah, some things
Yeah.
you just.